Hi, this is Baachu here. Welcome to my second episode of Short Talk. Today's key idea is gratitude. Gratitude, yes. I'm pleased to share this episode on Pongal, which is the biggest and the greatest festivals we Tamils celebrate. It teaches us one thing: gratitude. So in this short talk, I will be covering the 4 key lessons Pongal, the Tamil festival, teaches us. அனைவருக்கும் பொங்கல் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். உழவர் திருநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். தமிழர் திருநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். I will see you inside Short Talk with the key idea, gratitude, and the 4 key lessons Pongal, the festival of gratitude or the Thanksgiving festival, teaches us.